It began with a whisper from the void, a subtle murmur from the edge of human understanding. Voyager 1, the ancient sentinel launched in 1977, drifting for over 4 decades through the vast, silent ocean of space beyond our solar system, did something unexpected. After years of transmitting data about cosmic rays, solar wind, and distant planets, it captured a signal that defied all explanation. A message so enigmatic that it has shaken the foundations of modern science and ignited a global frenzy among the world's most brilliant minds. Voyager 1 was humanity's pioneer, our first emissary into the abyss beyond the Sun's influence. Designed for a mission limited to exploring Jupiter and Saturn, the probe outlived all expectations. After completing its primary objectives, NASA boldly sent Voyager into interstellar space, farther than any human-made object before or since. For years, its instruments quietly recorded the cosmic environment, sending back snapshots of the dark frontier. A frontier seemingly empty, yet holding secrets we are only beginning to understand. Among the thousands of images and gigabytes of data sent across billions of kilometers, one particular image stood out. Taken over 20 years ago, it had long been dismissed as corrupted data, a meaningless smear lost in the noise of cosmic radiation. But in 2025, advances in artificial intelligence, specifically a hybrid quantum neural network designed to parse the faintest signals buried in quantum noise, brought this image back into the spotlight. When fed into this AI system, the result was astonishing. The AI reconstruction revealed something unexpected. A geometric pattern, structured, symmetrical, and almost architectural in its complexity. It wasn't a star, a nebula, or any known cosmic phenomenon. Its dimensions closely followed the golden ratio, a hallmark of intelligent design known to us from art, nature, and ancient architecture. Cross-referencing against all known natural structures yielded no matches. The AI assigned a 92.3% probability that this was not a natural formation, but something constructed. Scientists initially kept these findings secret, fearing public panic and skepticism. But in an era dominated by leaks and rapid digital communication, the image soon escaped official channels. Independent astronomers and physicists debated heatedly online. Some dismissed it as a digital artifact or an overinterpretation by an eager AI. Others cited the AI's proven record in detecting subtle cosmic patterns overlooked by human eyes. Whispers began. Had Voyager 1 captured proof of extraterrestrial infrastructure? A cosmic signature left deliberately in the depths of space? Dr. Karen Ralph, a respected physicist, tweeted cryptically, "It's not what's in the image that haunts me, but that we've seen it before, here on Earth." His words sparked a wildfire of speculation, as researchers discovered a 76% correlation between the Voyager image's pattern and unexplained crop formations that appeared in Wiltshire, England, during the 1990s. Those crop circles, once dismissed as elaborate hoaxes, suddenly took on a new meaning. Were they echoes of a message encoded across time and space? This connection between an ancient Earth mystery and a cosmic enigma sent shockwaves through scientific institutions. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory and SETI officials declined public comment, but behind closed doors, they labeled the phenomenon the echo signal. Internal reports linked the terrestrial anomalies with the deep unknown of interstellar space. The implications were profound. A message possibly spanning billions of miles and decades, or even centuries. Intrigued by the visual data, researchers turned to the accompanying audio signals Voyager 1 had captured for decades. What had been dismissed as static or cosmic background noise underwent rigorous analysis with the AI's audio pattern recognition capabilities. Embedded within the static was a faint, repeating rhythm, not random, not natural. Some interpreted it as a mathematical progression, others as a primitive form of communication, modulated in ways unlike anything previously recorded. What unnerved scientists most was that this waveform matched no known language, frequency, or coded transmission ever documented by human technology. Yet, its cadence felt deliberate, like a whisper carried across the void. A message from something watching, waiting, or perhaps even guiding. Meanwhile, xenobiologists analyzed the image at an unprecedented scale, revealing a filament-like distortion embedded within the lattice structure. This anomaly resembled the double helix shape of DNA, though it was not Earth-based genetic material. The resemblance sparked controversial theories. What if the structure was not merely technological but biological? Could it represent an artificial life form, a fusion of biology and machine, engineered by a species advanced enough to build with living matter as much as with steel and circuits? Dr. Morin Silvestri, a bioquantum imaging expert at the European Space Agency, anonymously published a groundbreaking paper proposing that this imprint might be a biological signature, a form of artificial life encoded visually rather than chemically. This concept challenged long-held assumptions about life and intelligence, suggesting that the message was not just a signal, but a calling card of a species far beyond our comprehension. As the mystery deepened, astrophysicists revisited Voyager 1's flight path. The probe's trajectory was calculated using gravitational assists from planets, but an anomaly recorded near the Oort cloud in the early 2000s raised questions. Some proposed that a subtle gravitational fluctuation shifted Voyager's course by mere microdegrees, enough to place it directly in line with the enigmatic structure. Was this a natural cosmic accident, or was Voyager being subtly guided by a gravitational beacon? An invitation to come closer, to witness. The implications of intentional guidance sent ripples of unease through the scientific community. Then came the public reaction. Once the image leaked, it spread quickly across darknet science forums and social media. Thousands downloaded, stared, and shared. But something strange began to happen. People who gazed at the image for prolonged periods reported unsettling psychological effects. Feelings of paranoia, anxiety, and disorientation emerged. Vivid nightmares haunted some viewers. A handful claimed the image seemed to follow them, invading their dreams in endless, looping patterns. A university study group observed the image for just 90 seconds. Every participant experienced dissociation, vertigo, and a pervasive sensation of déjà vu. Was this merely suggestion, or was there something embedded in the image that transcended traditional understanding, a cognitive imprint that affected human consciousness on a subtle but profound level? Governments issued silent takedown orders, hosting platforms received cease and desist notices, but the image was irretrievable. It had already become a permanent part of humanity's digital consciousness, a shared secret that could not be unlearned. As the pieces fell into place, linking Earth's crop circles, Voyager's trajectory, the mysterious audio waveform, and the biological signatures embedded within the image, a chilling possibility emerged. This was no random artifact. No mere glitch or cosmic debris. Voyager 1, our most distant emissary, may have captured proof of something extraordinary. Something not just out there, but something sentient, something that has been watching us, waiting patiently for a moment we are only now beginning to understand. Yet, since that singular moment, there has been no response. No second signal. No confirmation. No further images. It is as if the message was meant to be seen once, and then to vanish. Voyager drifts ever onward, further into the darkness, carrying with it the echoes of a secret humanity was never meant to comprehend. The quantum AI that decoded the signal, the most powerful cosmic interpreter we have built, gave us a message. But now, all we hear is silence. The question humanity must face is no longer, are we alone? It is now, are we ready for who, or what, has already found us? Subscribe and join us as we venture beyond the known, into a universe whispering secrets we are only beginning to hear.